Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you bird drawing with number 1, 2 and 3. Starting, draw number 1, beside draw number 2 and number 3 in the side of the 2. Now in the bottom, I'm drawing the branches. Draw the circles in the middle and the sides of the branches. I'm drawing the body and the face of the bird with beak and the eyes. Down, I'm drawing the feather of the bird. Now inside you can give the effects of the feather for the tail and the body, and I'm brightening the eyes and the nose, beaks of the bird, and giving light shades for the bird and the branches. That's it, it's done friends. Thanks for watching my video.